What the climate theory would suggest is we will see more and more extreme weather events, more heavy precipitation events and more floods, and we're seeing it, more drought, and we're seeing them, more extreme weather events such as hurricanes where they'll be more intense.
Number 15. The Montana Glacier National Park now has about 30% of its total glaciers from 1910. Number 14. The average temperature in 3 large countries has increased at least 2 times the global average. Number 13. There will be an increase of 7 to 23 inches in sea levels by the end of the century. Number 12. The United States is the top global warming polluter in the world. Number 11. By 2050, 15 to 37% of our plant and animal species could be wiped out. Number 10. Over the past century, the sea level has risen by 10 to 20 centimeters. Number 9. 400,000 square miles of Arctic Sea have already melted due to global warming. Number 8. By 2030, the number of glaciers in the Glacier National Park will equate to 0. Number 7. Global warming caused $100 billion worth of damage in the United States alone in 2005. Number 6. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has increased by 31%. Number 5. The intensity and duration of deadly hurricanes have doubled since the last 4 decades. Number 4. The rate of global warming has accelerated thrice faster over the past 30 years. Number 3. The annual temperature of the world and the United States is now 1 degree Fahrenheit hotter compared to the temperature a century back. Number 2. The past 9 years have all been amongst the 25 hottest temperatures in history. And number 1. 2 of the world's hottest temperatures were recorded in the last 10 years.
Every dollar spent today for preventive measures against natural catastrophes reduces losses in the future by $4. Can you imagine a better investment of public funds than this?
Winston Churchill once made a comment about Americans, and that is when there's a problem, they will try every possible solution until at the very end they'll do what obviously will work, the obvious thing to do. The world might be in the same case. In other words, at the moment, they all acknowledge the issue of climate change. They all acknowledge we have to do something to limit human-induced climate change. The question is, how quickly will the world wake up to the fact we have to do things differently?